First of all, I want to remove the battery wire and connect to my lab bench power supply. And you can see here the voltage is 15 volt now. And if you look into the MP3, they was showing just 2% of the battery. When I decrease the voltage some around 12V, they wanna going to shut down. So when the voltage is 16 volt, they will work. But when the voltage is decreased some around 12V, they will going to shut down. So now you can see here 12V ground and audio connection and low V. So first of all, I think I want to add a boost converter to boost the voltage a little bit. So I'll add a boost converter and set their output voltage some around 16 volt. But sadly they did not work. And the second try, I want to trace this low point, which one is come from microcontroller, to sense the battery voltage and current. When I'll check the voltage, there is nothing. So I'll made a current limited resistor branch just from 2 resistor to provide the battery voltage and current. And I'll set the cutoff voltage some around 9V. And let's just try. So now if you look into my lab bench power supply, the voltage is 10 volt now and they will still alive. And I can furthermore decrease the voltage around 9.5V and they will still alive. So for more information, let me know in the comment section below.